Listen me. Which family member and which friend can come on social media and ever say me, Marcia Campbell, stop at them yard? My sister migrate over. After when my sister migrate, maybe 10, 15, 16 years, I don't know. Me used to stop at my sister. Me stop at my sister long time from every trip me go to Jamaica, a hotel me stay in. Then at what time me I figure a family yard, figure people yard. I know, and name out them food and people I buy give me. I wish me could have, the only somebody ever pay for my big yard is my man friend who me date for almost 20 years at Jamaica. I never ever got Jamaica yet. And somebody pay for me. Eh? I wish you had me stay at Jamaica. Then I who are uncomfortable. Then how much years and I watch me and see me in my hotel. And how much years even when me at Jamaica over Portmore. Me I stay at Jewels few much years. But how much years? Remember me spend all 2 months back in Jewels. Spend how much $1,000. Then I wish pussy hole can come on social media. For Jamaica. And say me catch a yard. Catch a which yard? Then I catch a which yard? Eh? Then I wish motherfucker, stranger, can't come and talk to me. I say me catch a Jamaica. Not even my niece them yard, we don't even go. And my niece them have empty room. My sister left her a 2 bedroom house when she migrate. And left my niece in there. And me not even go to a yard to go stay. Every hotel, every visit me I visit for the past how much years? 20 years or so. A hotel me go. Then I wish somebody can go yard. And first of all, me no cook a yard, me no name. Every day me in a restaurant. Then I wish somebody can come on social media and chat shit. Eh? Then I wish man, let me ask a question. Then I wish man when Kiara left me with Kiara. You sure you're not talking about somebody else? Lordy. You sure you get the wrong? You sure getting the wrong information? You sure Marcia Campbell? Not this a girl here. You sure Marcia Campbell? You sure you not mix me up with some other blogger on social media? Hold on, may I tell you? Me say, me go to Jamaica and people are mind me. And how me owe my friend Neddy no much money. Neddy don't even look for you. Neddy don't even look for you. You need to go sit down. You soon have a blood clot heart attack over me. You soon have a heart attack over me, shit also man. You soon have a heart attack over me. I can see now. You are a mad blood clot underprivileged woman. You're mad. You're fucking mad. You're mad head sick no blood clot good. You need to go in a Bellevue. You just come like a broken record. I repeat the same thing. Over and over and over. You just go like a blood clot, like a bob doll. And I can't. I repeat the same thing over and over. Huh? Me have to just laugh. Eh? Me go to Jamaica and people have to feed me. Feed me? Are you kidding me? Then I wish you had me stop at Jamaica. When me got my cousin my Portmore, me stop the few about an hour and 2 and go about my business. Stop where? Me have to be comfortable. Straight a hotel. Me da Jamaica rent apartment for 3 months. For 1 year straight. And me have every money Western Union. Every red motherfucking cent Western Union paper for sure. Me send go pay my receipt. Me send go pay my rent. With my assistant and also straight to the person. Who that bitch? How you think you talking to? Ugly pussy old woman. How you chat to? You can't talk to me. You can't shade me. You have a nerve of cast somebody underprivileged. Blood clot woman, take a look. Take a look at me. Me not have no filter. Me just have a little makeup on my face. Dirty woman, take a look at me. Big old sour pussy woman 13. Take a look at me, because I'm afraid of you. Magic pussy lesion. Pussy old woman. Take a blood clot, good look at me. Who you talking to? Are you fucking teething on them? Who you talking to? Who you talking to? You talking to my son? Are your son them a blood clot thief? Who you talking to? Your blood clot jacket son them. Remember, they confess, you know. A thief make you run away from a God, Jamaica, you know. Remember, say talk on social media, say you used to walk and thief people, you know, and take and trick man. That's why you have to run me. Take a blood clot, good look at me, bitch. You can't cuss me. You can't cuss me. I fuck with your chat. You come on Jamaica, you come on social media and sell your soul. For Facebook money, you don't have nothing about you. You can't talk to me. All you have is a big blood clot stinking sperm mouth. You ain't got nothing. All you can do is chat with a loud mouth. You can't call people big and fat. Look at you. You can't call people head. Look how your fucking head big like a cow. You can't talk about people. You can't talk. You can't look at blood clot. Good up. Nice body. Blood clots, clean skin mass here. Trash already. And talk about me? Are you fucking crazy? Bitch, have a several seats. Bitch, have several seats. Bitch, have several seats. You can't shade me no time. All when me hear up in my head. All when me have yes, you can't shade me. Go sit your ass down. You big, sour, stinking, sour, blood clot, dirty woman. River stand dumpster. And then you are drained like a blood clot #1 eye stroke. Go sit your dirty pussy hole down 13. You can't style me no dick. Me a blood clot big deal. You can't style me no time pussy hole woman. You can't style me no deal. You can't go chuck off. You know one shit house. You can't style me no time. No time you can't style me. Pay fuck create chat. You're a battery woman. The amount of blood clot belly where you dash for Jamaica. The life for me live for Jamaica, you have to run where left that blood clot. You couldn't live my life. You don't have nothing. When you live at Jamaica, you don't live like a blood clot dog. Man, I fuck you from left, right, and center just to buy your food. Me dep on a big blood clot plantation. Food. Chicken. Goat. While you have to sell your big up no pussy.